Hi everybody. So while we have this little break, I will record the sound of bird method quickly. Um, Pardon me for my English. I'm Dutch, so my English is not my mother language. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to teach you in a couple of minutes. So the sound of bird method is not about how you uh, how you sound. It's really a meditative practice, and I've been teaching this for a couple of years during the retreats I organize. And what I see is that it's a really effective, simple, easy practice to help women to drop into their body and to connect with their baby. And I've also heard stories from women who um, did the practice during the pregnancy, and then when they used it during their birth, that it really helps to focus and it helps for pain relief. And that's what I like so much about this method. It's your voice. You always have your voice with you, no matter where you are going to give birth in the end. So you always have this tool with you to stay focused, to drop into your body, and to help you relieve some pain if that's necessary. So the sounds that you use are the and while you when you use the of course your mouth is closed, and you also use your hands as a sort of mirror. Well, let's just do these sounds then. Yeah, I'll just show it, and you can do it maybe with me. So first of all, the and you can, when you do this, touch your lips very gently. And you feel it resonates in here, and it's a really nice sound to use to relax your mouth, your jaw, and also your mouth, your down, yeah, your mouth down there. And the other sounds, there are vowels, if I say it correctly, and it starts with the ah, and then it flows over in o, and then you have the oo, and then you have the u. And while you make these sounds, you use your hands as well. And what I usually do is do a couple of times the ah, and with the ah, and you touch yourself very gently. You can drop your jaw. Ah, you come to here, to your heart. And after I do a couple of ahs, I stick the o to it. So it's like ah, o, and with the o your hands slide down to your breasts, and you give your breasts little, some gratitude and love and tender touch. And after the o, that's the oo. It's like ah, oh, oo. Then you can caress your baby. And after the oo, it comes the u. So ah, oh, ooh, oo. And while you make the sound u, you go with your hands to your mouth of Venus. So really, the u is very, dropping deep inside your pelvis. So I will do this a couple of times, so you can see, and maybe you can do it yourself after that. So after that, just let the women notice what happened into their body. If it's right, you feel very relaxed. And I advise the women to practice this a lot, because then it becomes your second nature. Just like more things we talked about during this training. So I hope you can get something out of this, and if you have any question, just ask me.